tell, you have just watched our very first YouTube video.
Just tell us that you couldn't tell.
Yes, please do.
Yeah. You couldn't tell.
No.
You had no idea. We're professional pros.
Exactly, right?
Professional pros. That's it.
Right.
Yeah.
And just let us know what you think. If you saying a lot.
First video.
Don't forget, you can take a look in the description box below if you haven't. I don't like that.
What are we saying? What?
Discount code maybe?
Yes, and what's that going to be? The word subscribe. Subscribe. Thanks. We don't say thanks.
What should we say?
Hallelujah.
Happy crafting.
Happy making. Bye.
See you next time.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Okay.
Again, this was box 2526. That's on the camera.
That's kind of cool.
Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
See, I'm moving around so much.
I know.
Like, cutting it is going to be hard. We're going to be like robots. Okay. So,
You've made it to the end.
you've made it to the end.
You have a cool craft.
Cool craft.
Yeah.
And because you have a cool craft. Wait.
No.
No, if they
Because you
already
made
have
it to
cool,
the end.
They already have the cool craft.
Oh. What is the discount code? So if you have a cool craft, you don't need the discount code for box 2526. If you've made it to the end of this with us and you're excited about doing this craft, we're going to give you a discount code, and guess what the name is? Subscribe.
Maybe we don't give a discount code.
Maybe we don't give it a discount
Just
code.
thanks for making it through this with us. And we really hope to see you in the next one.
Subscribe!
So you've either enjoyed watching us make this craft, or you've made the craft with us, and we really appreciate you watching. No.
Well, we do. Yeah, we do. Don't listen to her.
Oh,
Okay. You got it?
I've got it.
Okay. No. I don't know, we could just get up and walk away. Or we could just do this.
There you go. Well, no. Yeah.
That's
I
gonna
like
work.
that.
Try it again.
All right.
Okay. Let's see. Wow. It's our box.